Be ready. 5 seconds. A perusal of the sale deed dated 12/5/1997 reveals that the managing director of the petitioner had purchased an unfinished two-storied residential building. Stop. He further raised constructions and converted the building into a hospital. Stop. There is no evidence that the additional constructions raised were according to any sanctioned plan. Stop. The building is situated in Rampur Garden, Bareilly, which is residential area as per the master plan. Stop. The petitioner started using the building for running a nursing home / hospital, without any permission in this behalf from the BDA. Stop. The aforesaid acts were in clear violation of sections 14(2) and 16 of the UP Urban Planning and Development Act 1973 hereinafter referred to as the Act stop para. The petitioner was conscious of the gross violations of provisions of law on its part. Stop. It applied for compounding of the illegal constructions. Stop. On 18/2/2020, the compounding plan was sanctioned subject to various conditions / compliances. Stop. Condition number 1 states that the petitioner was illegally running a hospital in the building constructed and sanctioned for residential use. Stop. Therefore, the petitioner shall have to convert the building to residential use and submit an undertaking in the shape of an affidavit that in future it would only be used for residential purposes. Stop. Condition number 2 is that every floor of the building would only be used for that purpose for which the plan is sanctioned, that is, residential. Stop. Condition number 11 states that as per the compounding plan, the non-compoundable part of the building would be demolished within 1 month by the petitioner and an affidavit will be filed in that regard. Stop. In case of failure on part of the petitioner in getting the demolition done on its own, the demolition would be done by the BDA, cost of which has to be borne by the petitioner. Stop. Further, there was condition number 12 that on violation of any of the conditions, the map/plan would automatically stand cancelled. Stop para. The petitioner did not comply with any of the above conditions. Stop. Neither non-compoundable part of the constructions were demolished, nor the building was put to residential use. Stop. The petitioner continued to use the building as a hospital. Stop. This attracted condition number 12 of the compounding order and the compounding plan stood automatically cancelled. Stop. The BDA, however, gave one more opportunity to the petitioner to comply with the conditions stipulated in the compounding order. Stop. By letter dated 1/10/2022, it required the petitioner to demolish the non-compoundable part of the building and put the building to permissible usage and submit an affidavit to the said effect, failing which, the petitioner was warned that the premises would be sealed and further action be taken in the manner in accordance with law. Stop para. The petitioner cannot be permitted to continue using the building as a hospital in violation of the existing law, throwing all principles of town planning to winds and least concerned with the safety and security of even those who are availing medical services in the hospital, being illegally run from the building in question. Stop para. Under the facts and circumstance of the present case, no interference is called for. Stop. The writ petition is, accordingly, dismissed. Stop.